Alright, so look, before we do this lift kit install to start this video, Steven pulled up on me, he wanted to do this. We at his warehouse right now. We're not supposed to be here, it's illegal. As you can see right here, it's fenced in. We found a way to get in the gate. They still building this place up. Somebody always call me while I'm doing a video. But they're still building over here, and Steven about to do something very illegal. All I'm gonna do is say, watch the video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to try to do best. I am giving away 2 sets of wood logs, so y'all stay tuned for that. But man, it's about to get active. Let's see what he's about to do. Steven, you sure you got this? You ready?
What up, it's your boy.
What up? All right, so look, you sure you got this?
Yeah.
All right, man, all right, we're gonna see. Bro, you just made the cut, bro. That was nice, bro. I can say you just drove that, bro. You just drove that. You ready? Hey, you got a big smile. You might be ready. That boy about to be tooted, man. His first vehicle about to be tooted. Well, not your first vehicle, but your first actual truck. Yeah, truck build about to be tooted, man. Look, he got the stocks right for now. It's stocks and GRAPPS. But if y'all want to get him, y'all can come get him because he wants some 26x14s or 24x14. So yeah. Then we got this crazy fool right here. He about to want to install it. He about to install it. Y'all want to introduce yourselves to the camera?
I'm Cody.
Cody.
Brendan.
All right. So this crazy fool about to install him. About to go on this 2024 F-150 5.0, and yeah, she about to be tooted, man. What you about to put on here?
Bullshit, rough country on that motherfucker. For now.
Just for we want crunch time.
Bro, I don't know. First of all, I really don't know if I want to lower this bit.
I think you're gonna like it too, bro.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If I like it, I'm gonna get MTS.
I mean, to be honest, I like these stocks better.
Yeah. I just put these on to ride out. Right here.
So which one is this one you brought?
What you mean? I bought these.
Oh, you brought them ones?
Yeah, I like the first week of the head in the truck because they came with them.
I like these right here. Yeah, those good. Got them 37's, boy. You about to be big. Jeez. Jeez. Dang, boy. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. I pray for you, but you gone.
All right, if you want.
Nah, you reading directions, man. you had your legs crisscrossed and everything. Yeah. Read them directions.
About the first time I was talking gas in about 6 years.
Jesus Christ, bro. Look at this spindle. Oh my God.
Them custom made.
You said they custom made?
Yeah, if you look real close, you see my name.
Man, bro, country popped out with this spindle, boy. This thing huge.
Drive shaft.
Them angles not gonna be good, bro.
They not?
Nah. Nah. This gonna be bad. You sure? I'm just joking, bro. It's not bolted. There he go. Reading the instructions again. You sure you want him to do your lift kit?
I don't know. That motherfucker kind of scared me.
I don't know. Keep reading, man. What you reading?
Hell if I know. I can't read. Look at the pictures.
Oh. You know what you forgot to put on?
What?
You forgot to put something on.
No, I didn't. I'm just tighten up.
Nah, the thing that go right there.
What are you talking about? What's right here?
Bro, you forgot to put it on.
I did not.
I swear you forgot to put that on.
No, I did not.
Don't tell me you scared now. Don't tell me you scared now.
I'm probably gonna hit some shit as soon as I leave.
Don't tell me you scared now.
Yeah. Bro, you wildin', bro. Stop shaking that bitch like that.
Scared? Oh! Boy, that's at 37.
Move that socket.
Hey, you don't know about that. That big ball right there.
Go on up. Bro,
the jack not going hard. Oh my god! Bro, that thing like a statue. Jeez! Ooh! 1 through 10, how was it?
Whoa.
2.
2? That easy? Hey, 1 through 10, how was it?
It was pretty easy.
Pretty easy? What you think? You like it?
Shit, yeah, they did that shit quick.
Satisfied. Thing look good. Bro, what's up with you and Jamar in this, bro? How long has it been back here?
Since I went trout fishing.
Jeez, that long? Jeez, boy. Be a little bit hard for y'all to see, but that thing look good. I like it. I can't wait to see it in the daytime, but for right now, y'all see it. Y'all boys just say?
See, man.
don't put me on video like that.
Don't put you on video? Alright. Classroom. Classroom.
Oh, you want me to walk out of class again?
Hey, how you walked out of class?
Bro, I don't even see the video, so I don't know.
Man,
Oh my god. Alright, show on the video, show on the video. Tell me this don't look like Steven, y'all. If y'all know a video back in school when that boy cursed out the teacher.
This freaking lady go off on kids because they don't freaking get this crap. Man. If you would just get up and teach them instead of handing them a freaking packet, yo. There's kids in here who don't learn like that.
Bye.
They need to learn face to face.
Bye.
You're just getting mad because I'm pointing out the obvious and
No,
you're too
because you're
late.
wasting my time.
No, I'm not wasting your time. I'm telling you what you need to do.
Get out.
You want kids to come in your class, you want them to get excited
come
for
to
this,
me when
you gotta
you
come in
get
here, you
out.
gotta make them excited. You want a kid to
Yeah.
change and start
Right.
doing better, you gotta touch his freaking heart. Can't expect a kid to change if all you do is just tell him.
Bye.
You gotta take this job serious. This is the future of this nation. And when you come in here, like you did last time, and make a statement about, oh, this is my
Please,
paycheck,
please, please.
indeed it is. But this is my country's future and my
I
education.
respect that. Can you go outside, please?
Score
I got things
But there's
to
a
do.
limit. When I'm not bitching, but simply making an observation.
Okay, okay.
And now I will leave. You're welcome.
Good, bye.
And if you would like, I'll teach you a little more so you can actually learn how to teach a
No,
freaking
you're not
class.
welcome back.
Because since I got here, I've done nothing but
No.
read packets. So don't try and take credibility for teaching me
Come on,
jack.
Just go. Bye. Close the door.
Little baby.
That is Steven Twin, man. Well, how you do it?
They said some kids don't learn like that. You gotta get up and you gotta show.
Alright, y'all. We brought it to the gas station so y'all can get a better look of it. Jeez. This thing look good, y'all. This look real good. But if y'all want these rims, they are still for sale or trade. So y'all can get really for trade, yeah. Not for sale, but for trade. For you'll add cash. Yeah, he's gonna add cash for some 24x14s. Or 24x14s or no 24x14s?
24x14.
Alright, 24x14s too. So if y'all got them wheels, y'all want some cash in these?
I do straight for some reps though.
For some reps, yeah, for some reps.
7's or LTZs.
Yeah, he said he'll do that too. So y'all send him some ideas or some wheels, such, and we'll get that done. I did recommend him that he get this color match right here, white, and the mirror's white. Not gonna do the whole grill, but definitely color my sheets white, and he gotta get some LEDs in there too. Other than that, they popped up, man. Finally, after the Mustangs being on the channel, you finally got a truck. That's all I asked for. Remember I kept saying, bro, you gotta get a truck.
Bro, I remember when you first got your lift and your shit was stocking, we was at Fuller's, and we was by that boy truck, the gray truck.
Yeah.
It's like, bro, you look good in a truck.
Now you done got one. Now you done got one. For the ones that's probably gonna be wondering, it is 6 in the front, rough cut your lift kit, stock in the back. So again, it's 6 in the front, stock in the back, and you can see the difference right there.